Alright, welcome back to another video. I got some parts in finally. I got some PPF film for my headlight. It is my first time doing anything with PPF, and I know it is very expensive because I asked, that shit is like $3,000, and I'm like, bro, okay, I'll just do the headlights. This car really needs a handle. Like, I hate. What do I grab? I usually used to just, on my WRX, because it was the same thing, I used to just grab this and pull it. But this door is so heavy. You know, I'm all strong and shit, so I could just pull it. But like, some people can't. Yeah, so this is what you get. Oh, I get some pairing stickers. Wow. Put that on my computer or something. Wow, that is a really short. I've never seen that before. You get the actual trunk handle, so this will make closing the trunk a lot easier. So this is to screw onto this. This is to screw onto it. Wait, why do I get like 3 different? Alright, whatever. Washer, 2 riv nuts, a hex bolt, another hex bolt, but then, yeah, and then a bolt. I guess I could try using this. Oh, that works pretty freaking well. Alright, this is a Subaru. Subaru made this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is a Toyota, sir. This one. Special notes. You will need a drill to install this part. Highly recommended to 20. I need a drill. Oh, that bitch ain't gonna fit. I do need a drill. Let's go buy a drill real quick. I'm at Home Depot now. Okay, finally back. I got the right bit size. This shit was like $15. Never done this before. I've never drilled, and I'm really nervous. Wow. Wow. That was so cool. Well, there's like this piece of metal right here. What do I do? Hold, wrench, and tighten. Okay. I don't know. Fuck, man. No, that does not make it easier. Little wrench does the job. Oh yeah. How tight? How tight? Okay, I guess now we loosen. I think I installed it. Oh, it's like this. Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 4. Oh, no, it's okay. Yeah, 6. Huh? Can you thread properly, please? Aha. Very cool, very cool. Oh, that was really close. I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh, wait, can you guys see that? How hard? Wow. 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 This mod is insane. Guys, this is hands down a really needed mod. I thought I installed the whatchamacallit wrong, the rivet, but that was really cool. Like, I got that in. Like, I'm really glad I got to do it. Like, it's so needed. I don't know why the WRX or this car doesn't come with these. Look at this. Closed. Okay. So it is a new day compared to when I installed the trunk handle. I did get some PPF. I also got some these. These smell terrible. Man. Wow, it's hella slippery. Okay. You want to try to anchor it in a spot? Wow, and that's pretty much, I don't know what the curing process is. Probably not gonna touch it for 24 hours. I looked it up on Google how long it takes for it to cure. 7 days. So I can't wash my car for 7 days. Thanks for watching this video. Deuces.